no place I'd rather be than here with you.
If you're watching this video, I'm assuming it's either you're a very loyal subscriber or you just got posted for Nysc and you're curious of what a day in camp is like. So, hello guys, my name is Elsa and you're new to my channel. I'm the bestie you never knew you needed. So, I want to give you a quick rundown of my camp experience in Kano, Saladam. Just tell you, it might be different in your camp, but it will just be a little bit different because they all use like the same timetable and schedule, so it's just going to be a little bit of difference. So guys, I got this drone view of Karaye camp, like the overall view from a friend of mine, and I just thought you guys should see it. It's like, if you look very well, you see that big water. It's called Kusala Dam. If you are posted to Kano, that's one of the things that will generate to the extreme cold. And now you're staring at Mami. Yes, guys, this is Mami, the market of all markets in camp. Wherever camp you're posted, there will be a Mami, and this is the one in Kano State. Just look at it. Now the overall view is going like round the camp. So now I've exceeded like the Mami's market, and yeah, enjoy the view. Real quick guys, this is the hostel overview. So ideally by 5 a.m. we have a meditation, which is like what we call devotion. Muslims go to their mosques to pray, and Christians are already on the parade ground praying and doing their devotion. By 5:20 thereabouts, the Muslims are expected to come back to the parade grounds to join us for morning drills. Morning drills involve exercises, parades that like each person is put in a platoon. This is something I didn't know before. So there are different platoons, that's like different groups. So they put you on like maybe 50 other people in one group like that. They just divide you guys. So you in your platoon, you guys will do like morning drills, prepare for the parade, like mostly exercises. You're someone that is familiar with parade in secondary school, and if you're not, just check some videos. I'm sure some people uploaded matching videos. So yeah, so after the morning drills by 6:30, oh yeah, Nigeria wakes up by 6 a.m. So they said Nigeria wakes up by 6 a.m. and sleeps by 6 p.m. So if you get to camp and you hear the clarion around 6 a.m. and 6 p.m., Nigeria is waking up and Nigeria is sleeping. And at those times, 6 a.m. and 6 p.m., when you hear those clarion is like the stuff they blows like a trumpet. So you're supposed to stand still, like obey it, just stand still, so you will not be commanded by soldiers. So yeah, after that, by 6:30, you're allowed to go back to your hostels to either have breakfast or bathe if you've not had your bath that morning, just to clean up basically. And yeah, after that you go for lectures. Depending on the days, your platoon might be on duty for maybe kitchen duty or sanitation or whatever, so it switches up, or manual. So yeah, I'll put some manual videos here so that you see what it's like. I participated, so it was fun. Oh my god, I didn't know I had that part in me. It was so fun. So yeah, after that, by 2 thereabouts, you get to go and rest again to, is it 4? I'm getting the times mixed up a little bit. But you come back again for parade. So like march past you. Each platoon practices for, because overall we're going to like do a final parade. So each platoon prepares for that. Then after that, you'll be allowed to go back to your hostels again. Then come back around 8 thereabout for social activities. Like I told you in my previous videos, you do dramas and stuff. There's drama, there's dance. So each platoon takes turns in doing their own. So let's say for example, platoon 1 and 5 do debates today. And then platoon 6 and 7 will do debates tomorrow. And all these are competitions that will be awarded results in the end. So I advise you, if you like something, just join and participate and help your platoon out. Then after the night social events, lights out should be like around 10, sometimes 10:30. So yeah, and the whole process starts. At the end of my camp experience, we had like a cooking competition. It was so much fun. There were a lot of competitions, and yeah, just try to enjoy yourself because this experience is just once. I understand when you start, 21 days will feel like hell, but at the end of the day, the people you meet and the experience, I hope will be worth it for you because they were for me. I was about to just go into things that I wish I knew before I went to camp. But let's take that to the next video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.